I was an elf living deep in the woods. Then I fell for a human. 17 years ago, he stumbled into our world. And stumbled into my heart.
It's getting dark. You should leave, or else. Or the forest laws will force you out.
Come with me. We'll have fun in human world. I want to be with you.
Mira. Elves leave the forest, will lose their powers, and can never return.
Then I'd rather be human. With him.
Ethan treasures me so much.
But at that time, I didn't know. A human's promises are as fleeting as their love.
Mira, I'm a failure. I can't find a job. I can't even give you a real wedding!
Silas lied to me. I still have my power. It just means every time I use it, it consumes my life.
I got the offer. When things settled, I'll marry you!
To rewrite Ethan's fate, I am burning through centuries of elven life. Piece by piece. My organs are failing, but I don't regret it.
Because tonight, Ethan is finally going to propose to me.
And I got a surprise for him too. Our own child.
Riley, I love you. You're the only woman I want to spend my life with. Will you marry me?
The man I've shared my bed with for 17 years, the father of my child, is now proposing to another woman.
You blind? This is the engagement cake Mr. Ethan made himself for his fiancée. Think you can afford it?
I'm the daughter of the Mander group. You want my hand? Show me something I've never seen before.
Wait for me, Riley. I'll bring you a treasure like no other in this world.
Baby, Daddy doesn't want us anymore.
Sweetheart, are you okay? You're so late today.
Ethan, do you still love me?
What are you talking about? You're the only one I've ever loved.
Then why did you propose to her?
You saw that? I can explain. Trust me, I've always loved you.
Ethan, I'll listen. Especially since I'm carrying our... Why?
Riley's the CEO's daughter. If I play this right, I become the heir. The heir, Mira. I've taken care of you all these years. Now I'm just asking for a pair of wings. Don't act like I'm killing you.
Just a pair of wings. Do you even understand without them?
I'm one step from the top. Why can't you support me? Mira, once I have the entire company, I'll divorce and marry you.
Ethan, our baby is gone.
Proposing gift accepted.
Congratulations, Mr. CEO Toby.
I gave you my life, and you took my last days to buy another woman. I'm dying, Ethan. 17 years of loving you, and this is where we end.
Happy now? Traded my life for your throne.
What the hell are you talking about? You've been living off me for years. You have no idea what it's like out there. I went after Riley just to give you a better life.
Ethan, the boy who took thunder for me. Where is him?
Enough! That was when we were kids. Why are you still so naive?
Get real. Wings are useless in the human world.
I'm just making the last bit of value work. It's not like you can go back anyway. What's the big deal?
Who told you I can't? You cut off my wings, you drained every bit of my power.
And now look, my body's vanishing.
I can go back through death.
Ethan! What's taking so long? We're gonna be late for the wedding venue tour.
Who's this?
Just the maid. I'll go change now.
Quit trying to scare me. None of this is real.
17 years by his side, and now you're just the maid. How pathetic, Mira.
You're...
Hey, you're interesting. Wanna hang out sometime?
Who are you? Not even 1/10 as pretty as my girlfriend.
You waited years for him to propose, didn't you? Funny how things work out. You think Ethan really loves you? One day he'll betray you as he does to me. He won't. Love dies. Greed doesn't. Men stay loyal to money and power, and to me. Ethan! This bitch just pushed me down the stairs!
Ethan... I didn't...
Enough! If you want someone to blame, take it out on me, not Riley!
Ethan... You stopped loving me so long ago, and I was too blind to see.
Just a mild sprain. Stay off it for a few days.
Mira! Apologize to Riley now!
An apology? Please. That's not a good price for hurting a CEO's daughter. I want her outside on her knees, all day.
And you want me to do that too? What are you doing here? Aren't you sick?
You think I could stay in bed knowing you'd walk home in rain?
That boy loved me. And this man doesn't. Ethan, I'm dying, and my love for you dies with me.
No kneeling, no wedding, no CEO. Your choice.
Mira, get outside and kneel!
Don't touch me. Ethan, we are done.
Nonsense, you're just my maid. Guards, throw this crazy woman out.
Mira, you shouldn't offend Riley. Once I take over the company, we can have everything. Like none of this ever happened.
There's a 100 billion project coming up. I'll make sure my father gives it to you.
My talent won't let him down.
Ethan, you think you succeeded on your own efforts? Without me, you're nothing!
An elf is dying.
A soul bridge to the human world. Mira!